Welcome to Game Project Management and Business Context Lab Level 5. So what is the business context actually? Of course, from Final Fantasy game to Candy Crush game, they have their own business context. From the budget, from the plan how to make profit, and what is the goal set for the future. That's where the project management triangle comes, a helpful tool to analyze the aim and plan of any game project. How it could help the project manager? So, it will allow project manager to forecast how the project development steps will fare in terms of quality based on budget, time, and scope factors. And also to understand any difficulties that may come during the planning and makes the project management better. However, let's be real, you can only achieve 2 out of the 3 goals for the project, but almost impossible to achieve all the 3. It's so hard to accept, right? A sad reality. There are many project managers fail to understand this, which sometimes makes them miss all the 3 goals. So you can only focus in 2 of the specific goals and make one of them to moderate good level. So there are 3 elements: scope, budget, and time. Let's start with the budget first, or cost. Every project of course have a cost. And sometimes, due to poor project management, you difficult to finish the project on time. So if you have poor project management, you cannot finish the project on time. For example, you have to hire more people. For example, more programmers. Therefore, it will add the cost of your project. So the next is the scope. So scope is already pre-decided in the planning, but for sure, sometimes you have to have the changes, so therefore it will affect the time and the cost. Scope is like requirement for your game, guys. So for example, from 2D to 3D. And the next is time. When we work on time, they're sure time is the limit, and you have to for sure fulfill the time. If not, the budget will be increased. How about the quality? Oh, of course, it is the ultimate goal. Why? Because every team wants to produce the best quality of game. So how about the statement, your project can achieve any 2 out of the 3 goals for the project, but it is almost impossible to achieve all the 3 of them together? So this is the answer. So the first is, if you have on budget and on time project, means you must accept sacrifice of the quality of the game. And the second is high quality and on time, means you must accept extra spending in the game development or the cost. And the last is high quality and on budget, means you must accept a late game project. Well, now you know how to apply the project triangle to your game project. And this is the example of the game development budget. You can see this is a sample budget spreadsheet based on a 2 years development cycle. Consists of programming, art and game design staff, management. So beside the staff, we also have to consider the legal things like 3D engine license, sound, also equipments for the office like PC, software, office expenses. And how to know your amount of budget? There are 3 things. Plan your game project, extract schedule and budget from those plans, and the last is control the budget. So how to plan your game project? Firstly, what game you want to develop? Ask your team. Where do you want to do it? Who are your target market? And what is the profit you want? And finally, extract schedule and budget from the plan. What must be done? Like how many levels you will have, sound effect, menu screens, code libraries, and every aspect of your game, including office rental, phone lines, everything for your office. And who will do it? Who is the artist, programmer? Do you need sound engineer? Plan your game project including the timeline, 1 year or 6 months, how many people you need for developing the game, market of the game, where how much profit do you want to gain. It's also included in the planning, guys. So after that, after what must be done, who will do it, you also have to know the resource. Do you need Unity, Unreal Engine, ZBrush, Maya? How about the license, the salary of your staff, and also the contract for your game? And when it must be done? For sure, 1 person late, it will affect the whole project. So you have to be on time for the project management. And how do you schedule the game? Using WBS and Gantt chart. WBS is a work breakdown structure. You used it last semester with me, and it's an example of menu screen WBS. Please break down the complex tasks to smaller tasks. Background image, option button, color scheme for the menu. And then, this is example of Gantt chart. For every task, so in the Gantt chart, you have to list all the activities that you have to do with the timeline and the person who have to do it. So I really hope you can make this for making your 3D game project better. And the effectiveness curve is really important. Make sure you buy equipment like PC, which is not so expensive but not so cheap. And that's where you can work effectively. Because if it's cheap and for sure it cannot work effectively, it will add more time. But if it's too expensive, it will add more budget for you. So according to Nicholas from Minecube, a small game like Subway Surfer or Temple Run, it will take 5 to 6 months for a team of 6 to 10%. But for middle-sized indie game, you can always expect range between $100,000 to $500,000. But if you want to make under $100,000, it will be either a super casual game like Cliff Hopper. So for the exercise, please do planning of your 3D game project and extract schedule and budget from the plan. Submit to YouLearn, and thank you.